हाय, आई एम डॉक्टर आराधना, फर्टिलिटी एक्सपर्ट, दिल्ली और एनसीआर से। आज बात करें साइकोलॉजिकल या इमोशनल काउंसलिंग फॉर दोज पेशेंट्स हु आर अंडरगोइंग आईवीएफ। व्हाई इज इट नीडेड और व्हाई इज इट डिफरेंट? Infertility is still a taboo. IVF is a taboo. Patients get pregnant, send someone, and then they tell us, don't tell them that we've undergone IVF. So it is still a taboo, and that is why one cannot connect with others for the fear of judgment, and that's why the support decreases or there is no support. Then there is a lot of societal pressure, peer pressure, because of which the patient goes into depression, sometimes into silence, and then this stress needs to be eased when you are undergoing an IVF. Third very important thing, IVF जो सर्जरी से अलग है। आपको कोई सर्जरी होनी है, आपको डर लगेगा थोड़ी देर के लिए, and then you are under anesthesia, we do the surgery and then you get up and we tell you fantastic, बहुत बढ़िया सर्जरी हुई है। But with IVF there's this haunting period of 14 days जहाँ पे हम जो भी बेस्ट कर ले, आपका रिजल्ट 14 दिन बाद ही पता लगेगा। So how do we manage the counseling? So centers have counselors whom you can meet. They can understand your fears, allay your anxieties, do your counseling. Then there can be patient support groups. You can connect with the patients who are undergoing the cycle or the previous patients, so that जब आप देखते हैं कि अच्छा इनका IVF हुआ है, they are now pregnant, how was their journey, it gives you some encouragement. And then it's for us, when you meet us, obviously you have to form a connect with your doctor at our level. Since I said infertility is all about empathy, infertility treatment is all about empathy. It's not just giving medicine. So the first counseling is a bigger session. When we talk to you, we understand, we tell you what do you need, what is the treatment option, what is the chances of pregnancy, and what are the estimate cost. So correct expectation is very very important. IUI करा रहे हैं और पहले IUI के बाद ही डिप्रेशन में चले गए, that means your expectations were way too much. We tell you that the success rate of IUI is 25% and you may need 3 to 4 cycles. So right expectation is a very important part. Then this haunting period of 14 days. अगर आपको बहुत anxiety है, one can meditate, one can read good books, और जब भी negative का विचार आए तब खुद को समझाओ that I don't have to think about it. I have to think positive, and then only positive will attract. I will attract positive towards me. अगर negative होता भी है तो क्यों डरना, दूसरे में हो जाएगा। बच्चा ना हो ऐसा IVF में नहीं होता, बहुत अनकॉमन है। पहले में नहीं हुआ, 10 में से 2 में आप रह गए, जिनको नहीं हुआ 10 में से 2-3 अगले में हो जाएगा। So when you accept that, you will not be scared. So relax guys, meditate, do some deep breathings, read good books and have that faith. फिर सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. About the stress for the financial aspect, it's not something like you going outside to buy कि ये कितने का है. One has to understand आपको क्या लगेगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको कॉस्ट समझाई जाती है. So बच्चा ना होना का दुख बहुत बड़ा है, और बच्चा होने के लिए जो फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब तक इंश्योरेंस एजेंसीज इंडिया में वो कॉस्ट बेयर नहीं करती, वो आपको करनी है. तो if you decide earlier when it is advised to you, it is better obviously after you arrange your funds, but this financial stress should be told to your doctor. You should be counseled about what is the estimate like, but it should not withhold you from fulfilling your dreams.